Hello my friends, I'm Tony from Kesu. Today I want to talk about Swiss machining. What is Swiss machining? Swiss machining originated in Switzerland in the late 19th century. It was initially developed for the reduced cost or improved precision manufacture or precision watch components when Switzerland had a near monopoly on quality watchmaking. The Swiss watchmaking industry demanded highly precise and intricate parts at higher productivity and lower price. Traditional machining methods struggled to achieve the demanded precision and productivity. How Swiss lathe machining works? In manual or CNC lathe, the workpiece is presented in a fixed position chuck that only moves by rotation. Longer components can also be supported in the tail stalk for double-ended stabilization to reduce the bending effect of cutting forces. With the Swiss lathe, the workpiece can both turn and move back and forth along the z-axis, while various tools cut away the shape of the part. Swiss lathes are generally used for small and high-value parts, high-precision, high-volume manufacture, and various materials such as stainless steel, brass, bronze, tool steel, etc. Accuracy or Swiss machining, it is typically possible to maintain diameter tolerances of 0.0004 inches on small and fixed valuable parts. Swiss machining offers some significant advantages over other machining approaches. High precision, easy operation, small parts can be processed faster. Disadvantages of Swiss machining. Swiss machining is not suitable for processing large-sized parts or small orders with small quantities. If you want to know more about Swiss machining, you are welcome to check our website and get a free quotation today. Bye bye.